For the commissioning of the condensing units, the required equipment includes a vacuum gauge, a vacuum pump, a refrigerant manifold, Allen keys, a refrigerant scale, an adjustable wrench, some gloves, safety glasses, and a pipe thermometer. Strength and leak test the system. Evacuate the system to 3 millibar or less. Before switching on the unit, recharge with liquid refrigerant through the discharge service valve. For a 1-fan unit, charge 2 kilograms. For a 2-fan unit, charge 3 kilograms. Next, charge the unit through the suction line with small quantities of liquid refrigerant until the sight glass is filled with liquid. Always be careful to avoid liquid slugging. During charging, the error E47 may appear on the display. This indicates that the injection valve is completely open due to insufficient charge. In this case, please continue charging the unit. The error will eventually disappear once the unit is sufficiently charged. While charging, it is helpful to check the following parameters in the service menu: the discharge temperature, the EVI superheat, and the valve opening percentage. Please note that the EVI valve is closed when the discharge temperature is below 40 degrees Celsius. In this case, please wait until the temperature rises before continuing to charge the system. When the sight glass is full, measure the liquid line temperature using the pipe thermometer. When the unit is operating with sufficient charge, the liquid line temperature is between -5 and +5 degrees Celsius. Continue charging the unit through the suction line with small quantities of liquid refrigerant. Check the liquid line temperature at the same time. Always be careful to avoid liquid slugging. The unit is sufficiently charged when the liquid line does not decrease significantly anymore. We recommend adding up to 1 more kilogram of refrigerant to cover for different operating conditions.